actually only your students to come up and get the mixture. So let them through and then walk. Do not spill the mixture. And do not put it in your volcano yet. So make way because it will explode. Do not put it in your volcano though. Just hold on to it.
This is a tiny one.
Don't smell it.
That wasn't a very common one. No!
Okay, do not put the mixture in your volcano. Okay, so it's 4. Go ahead and look to your parents really quickly. In a whispering voice, thank them for coming tonight. Make sure you do that number 10 and you give them that squeeze on the way out. Without you parents, tonight would not be successful, nor would this school year. I can honestly 100% say that this has been an amazing school year for me. These kids are amazing, all 31 of them. There's not one of them that I would trade for a million years. It's really been that great of a school year. I say that as a teacher. From the bottom of my heart, this has been one of my best, if not the best, that I have had. So thank you. You guys have been very supportive of me and of your student, and I feel in my heart you're going to be amazing fifth graders. So, parents, thank you again. Here's going to be the directions. We're going to count down when I say go, starting from 10 all the way to 0. When we hit 0, go ahead and put it in. This is a fun project that you're going to be taking home with you. It's going to smell extremely bad, extremely quick. So I'm going to say this to you. Take it home, put it in your trunk, and if your student brings it back tomorrow for our for all the other classrooms to see the excitement that they'll have in 4th grade, I would appreciate it. And I will also send them home with the directions to re-explode it this weekend or even tomorrow night for you. It can explode up to 7 times with the amount of baking soda that's in it, just so you know. Okay, but that's up to you. Okay, so 4th graders, again, have fun. You guys have definitely deserved this project. It's been a fun year, so let's end it with a bang. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go for it. Like I said, it's your house tomorrow night when you bring these back tomorrow. So you can go ahead and take care.
Thank you.